Hey everybody, Jared with Ruthless Motorsports. You're looking at a 2017 Arctic Cat Wildcat Trail. We've just installed the Ryco Moto Street Legal Kit on it, part number 9101. I wanted to show you a little bit about the kit and do a walk around. You can see this kit now has new mounting hardware to mount up the 3/4 inch amber LEDs on each front corner. You can get creative with these and you can mount them differently as you've seen in our videos in the past. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you could install these lights, and you can also space them apart if you'd like to not use the included bracket. We have installed them up along the fender here as well as down along here, so you've got plenty of options to utilize those amazing lights. On the inside, you've got a column mount like that you would find in your car. Simply push the lever down to turn signal left. You can see that we've got indicator lights up on the dash to let you know that the turn signals are on. There's the front driver's side flashing. My favorite part about this kit is it utilizes the stock tail light housings to have the turn signals activated, and it utilizes all of the LEDs inside. You can see that you're going to have a lot of visibility and you've got a clean, cool, custom look. To reset it, simply lift up on the lever back to the neutral position, and of course up is going to cycle right. This kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull this red lever out. Indicator lights on the dash showing you the hazards are on. To relieve the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. This kit also has a horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Simply push the horn button on the end. Utilizes a loud car-style horn. Also, the kit is going to include everything you need to mount the license plate, as well as a clean custom light to illuminate the plate at night. The Ryco Street Legal Kit is going to come with everything that you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah. With the exception of 2 mirrors, you're going to need one on each side of the driver. You can do that with a left view as you see here and a rear view, or a left view and a right view. That's completely up to you. If you need help getting street legal here in the state of Utah or any other state, give us a call, 801-737-6400, or check us out on the web, ruthlessmotorsports.com. Next up, Wildcat XX. Watch for the Street Legal Kit here coming soon.